Tower, good afternoon. Viper 01's number 1, 4 left, ready for takeoff, ready for the airspace.
Viper 01, demo airspace within 3 nautical miles, and 10,000 is released to you. Runway 4 left, wind SA 040 at 11, clear for takeoff.
Viper 01's clear for takeoff, 4 left, out in the airspace, up to 10,000.
Booyah.
1 is ready for the hack.
Stand by for hack on the half.
Be on the half minute. Seat hot altimeter 0 eyes, we're clear for takeoff. We own the airspace up to 10,000. All right, so now we're just waiting for 30 seconds, and then we'll hack it.
Okay.
And then we got a minute.
20 seconds.
Copy. And then we just let them do their narration thing, and then we just go make a lot of noise.
Yeah.
10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hack.
Let's do it, baby.
Good hack, good hack. All right. So now we'll, you see the timer, you see the time, 18:06.
Yep, 18:06:40.
10 seconds, so when we see a minute and 6 seconds, that's when I'll be releasing brakes, or
Copy.
running up and then releasing brakes right after that. So we'll get one more flight control check here. Make sure everything that's supposed to be flapping is flapping. Shake out the old neck. All right, tighten down the seatbelt one last time. Gonna want that.
And it's tight. "20 seconds to freedom."
Stand by. Oh yeah.
The weather's glorious.
Yeah, this is exactly what you want. Just vapes. Vapes for days. All right. Well, that's running it up. All right, here we go.
Let's do it.
American. Pre-dub inbound.
It's like a Tesla.
Just, yeah, no kidding, huh? Just a lot more gas, though.
Altitude. Altitude.
Fuck yeah.
You buddy. All right. On top. Good
It's just a roller
for the half
coaster.
Cuban. How you feeling?
Very good.
Yeah, buddy.
Altitude.
Oh, yeah, this is actually real
Altitude.
nice.
Got plenty of air.
Confirmation, Mike, 3050.
Hi, Haley.
Make sure you wave. All right.
Altitude.
Here's some
Altitude.
G's. G's, ease it off.
That is America.
Nothing but a few more dinosaurs to burn. Here we go.
Yeah, baby.
Pull up. Pull up.
Don't mind her. Speed. There we go.
Altitude.
Choo-choo.
Altitude. Altitude.
How much speed? All the
Altitude.
speed. Yeah, buddy.
There we go.
Oh. Yep, buddy. Always seems like a good idea.
I love this.
It's right where you want to be. You're rolling.
Woohoo!
2, 3, violence. Man radius. A little warm.
Altitude. Altitude.
Oh,
I could have done this.
here we go. Coming to right.
Altitude. Altitude.
Just hang upside down
This
for a
is
minute.
awesome.
And we're rolling. 4 point.
Second.
4 point.
Hit.
Altitude.
And we're popping.
Altitude.
Rolling. Rolling. Waving.
Altitude. Altitude.
Turning this heat down now.
This is awesome.
It's not a bad way to spend a day.
No, hell no.
On top. 5.2. 220.
Hit number, send it.
Send it. Choo choo.
Pull up. Pull up.
Don't listen to her.
Altitude. 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 Altitude.
I waved.
Falcon turn.
Hit.
Yep, on it. Still doing good?
Oh yeah, man, this is awesome.
Hell yeah.
Altitude. Altitude.
Just go send it.
More!
Rolling. Low speed.
Two.
Yeah, high show, high show.
Definitely a day.
Copy after.
Wow, this AC sucks. It's just so warm.
Warning. Warning.
Don't mind the jet
Warning,
yelling at us.
No big deal.
It just hates everything about this right now. On crowd push. Line.
Warning. Warning. Warning.
What? Right where you want to be in an F-16. Just gotta wave to them, say hello.
Vapors today.
Yeah, just vaping slow speed. Let's go make some noise.
Awesome. Accelerating.
Yeah, just if only we had a little bit more gas, we'd really send it. Flip upside down. Hang in the straps. 'Cause why not?
This is amazing.
Knife edge. Yep, buddy.
Altitude. Altitude.
And we're popping. Bunting. Waving.
Hello.
Waving.
Hello.
Waving. Enough of that. Max drive.
Altitude. Altitude.
Shoot.
Surprise.
Shoot.
Altitude. Altitude. Bingo. Bingo.
Oh,
Point proven. We're better.
I show.
All right.
Oh, that is awesome.
Be a dedication to over the crowd. No power only, 1.8.
Altitude. 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 Altitude.
Yep, that 9.4.
Not bad.
1.7 over the crowd to 4 point.
Kick ass.
Right where you want to be.
Altitude. Altitude.
And we're waving.
Altitude. Altitude.
Speed attack pitch.
Altitude. Altitude.
Chicka.
Bingo.
0.4.
Bingo. Altitude. Altitude.
Attack pitch to land.
Tiring.
Yeah, just a little bit. A little bit of heavy breathing. No big deal. Yep, bumpity bump.
Caution. Caution.
And we're done.
Whoa.
Yep, buddy.
Well done, John. Good to be with you again.
Yeah, that was fun.
That is a workout.
Sorry, Piper 01's right base clear stop, 4 left.
Piper 01, runway 4 left, wind estimated 080, clear to land.
Piper 01, clear land, 4 left.
Yeah, so it's kind of like an MC-12, just different.
Yeah, just a little bit different. Little less power.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's just, everything has its pros and cons.
It was a beautiful day, too.
Yeah, it actually worked out perfect. All right, down 3 green, we're clear to land on the left.
Altitude. Altitude.
Oh, watching and judging me.
Better be good.
Better be good. Watch.
Oh, yeah, that was nice. That was real nice.
Yeah, I just can't have them just see me bounce.
5 out of 5. What do we get, 9.3?
We got 9-4.
01, left turn, your discretion when able.
Piper 01. Airspace back to you, see ya.
All right, you can go ahead and save your seat.